welcome to 6.2. Here are the answers for 6.1. Alright, we're going to be working with another one-step problem process today. It's solving inequalities using multiplication and division. Basically, all these problems are one step. And I'm going to show you why this works the way it works in class tomorrow. So I'm just going to solve these today, and then tomorrow I'm going to go over why this works the way it works. Okay, so basically it's like normal equations. We're going to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 3. X is smaller than 5. If they want you to graph it, of course, keep it simple. 4, 5, 6, all the numbers that are smaller than 5. Here we're dividing, so we're going to multiply by 4. So just like an equation, x is less than 20. Here again we're dividing. We're going to multiply by 8, multiply by 8. M is less than or equal to negative 16. So nothing new here. Here's where you see difference though. When you multiply or divide by a negative on both sides, switch the sign. And like I said, I will explain this tomorrow in class. So here I'm going to multiply by negative 6, multiply by negative 6. So x is greater than negative 42. So you're going to switch the sign here. So this is the one new thing for today. It's only with multiplication and division. Here's another example. I'm going to divide by negative 3. And when I divide by negative 3, this would be wrong because I didn't switch my symbol. X is less than negative 8. Now this one here, I always show this problem here. Should the symbol switch? We're dividing by 5 and kids see this negative right here. But I'm not dividing by a negative 5, so you don't switch the sign. No, you do not switch it there. And that's pretty much it. Here's a word problem. I could put a couple word problems in the assignment. They're not too difficult. A student pilot has saved up $6,000 to put towards training to get his or her own license. They are going to need 80 hours of training. So writing the inequality, finding the possible hourly rate the student can afford. So we only have $6,000 to spend. So at the very most, I can spend up to $6,000, but I can spend less than $6,000 because I don't need to use all of my money for training. All right, so I need 80 hours. So 80 hours times the rate has to be less than or equal to 60,000. And then to solve it, we can just divide. So this would be the answer for part A, and then divide by 80 on both sides. And then you'll have your answer there. So there's your inequality, there's your answer. So $75 or less. Sorry about the frequency. I don't know why that does that with my microphone. That's pretty much it. 37, it's a challenge question. It's not too difficult though. I think you guys will be okay with that. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Thanks guys for tuning in to 6.2.